Hi there, I'm Marie. Today I want to share with you how to make this quick and easy French market bag. This is a medium-sized bag, but the size is easily adjustable for this design. I'm using this size for cotton yarn. It has 180 yards. If you're using the same yarn, you need 2 skeins for this project. I'm using a size 5 milliliter hook. This pattern uses odd number of chains. Chain 75. Let's put a marker on the last chain. Now chain 3 as a double crochet. Chain 1 more for a chain space. Skip 1 chain. Do a double crochet in the next chain, which is the 6th chain from the hook. Chain 1. Skip 1 chain. Do a double crochet in the next chain. Follow the chain 1, skip 1, double crochet sequence all the way across. Here we are at the last 2 chains. Chain 1, skip 1 chain, and close the row with a double crochet. Moving on to row 2. Chain 3 as a double crochet and turn the work. We'll be crocheting from the opposite direction. Chain 1 more for a space. Skip 1 chain. Do 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat the same pattern until you reach the length you want for your bag. This is a simple net pattern. It's a repeat of a double crochet, chain 1, and skip a chain for the entire body of the bag. I did 53 rounds and it arrives at 12.5 inches with the piece folded. And the width is 16 inches. Next, we'll do the edging for the front and back of the bag. Pick up where we left off. Chain 1 and turn the work. We do the back part of the bag first. Now, do a single crochet in the first stitch. Next, we'll decrease stitches. We'll skip this stitch and this chain space, which is 4 stitches, and do a single crochet in the following chain space. Skip a chain space. Do a single crochet in the next chain space. Repeat the pattern across. Coming up to the last stitch, instead of working it in the chain space, work the single crochet on top of the chain 3. Row 1 is done. Moving on to row 2. Chain 1 and turn the work. We'll be crocheting from the opposite direction. Now do a single crochet in the first stitch here. We'll do single crochet in each stitch all the way across. Row 2 is done. We'll do the single crochet for 4 more rows. After completing row 6, loop a slip knot and fasten off. Notice this is the first time we cut the yarn up to this point. The edging for the back of the bag is done. Do the same edging for the front panel as both sides are identical. After the edgings for the front and back are done, we'll do the handles and the sides. We start from the front handle, then the side edging, the back handle, and finish at the other side of the edging. These are done in a continuous fashion without cutting the yarn. Continuing, picking up where we left off. Now chain 70 for the length of the handle. Join the chain to the panel with a single crochet. Insert the hook into the first stitch and pull up a loop. Oh, I need to turn the work to continue. Finish a single crochet in the first stitch. Continue working 5 more single crochets, 1 for each row. Next, we'll do the side edge of the bag. We'll be decreasing stitches here. Put a single crochet in the first chain space. Skip a chain space. Put a single crochet in the next chain space. Skip a chain space. Put a single crochet in the next chain space. Follow the same pattern all the way around. We have completed round 1 of the handles and sides. Moving on to round 2. Work single crochets into the chains. I recommend working the stitches into the back bumps. It gives a better looking finish. The chains are usually tighter, especially working into the back bumps. I'm switching to a hook that has a narrower tip. Okay, I just finished the last chain on the handle. Continue working the single crochet in each stitch around. Keep doing the single crochet in each stitch continuously until we completed 6 rounds. So we started from the front handle, the left side, the back handle, and the right side. I've done all 6 rounds and arrived at the spot where we started. Now, we'll smooth out the edge with 2 slip stitches. Then turn the work to the back side and pull the loop through. Tie a slip knot and fasten off. Weave in the loose ends. I added a pair of snap crochet and a homemade label for fun. Thank you for watching. I invite you to check out my other crochet projects on my channel. Bye for now.